Rakil Srivastava teaching you maths of class 10th NCERT. Chapter 4 Quadratic Equation. In this exercise 4.2 question number 2 you will see solve the problem given in example 1. In the example 1 in the second lecture I have told you about the one question is given John and Jayanti together have 45 marbles. That questions in the example question number 2 of this exercise, which is example 1, John and Jayanti question, it was given the equation we have formed x square minus 45x, x square minus 45x plus 324 is equal to 0. It is given in the first part of this question, and which you will solve by the middle term factorization. By the middle term factorizations you will solve this question in which it is given John and Jayanti. So how will you factorize it? 324 you factorize. If you don't know, then you factorize like this. It is given direct in the example book. It is given 324. You will factorize 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 8 ja, 16, 2 1 ja 2, 3 2 ja, 3 27 ja, 3 9 ja, and 3 3 ja. So these are the factor in which you want 45 is plus and product is 324. So 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9, 2 ja 18, 2 ja 36. 36 plus 9. 36 plus 9 is the middle factor. 36 plus 9 x plus 324. You can get 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36. By this when you solve it, what will be the answer? X square minus 36x minus 9x plus 324 is equal to 0. So x is common, x minus 36 minus 9 is common, x minus 36 is equal to 0. So you have two linear factors, both are negative sign in it. So if x minus 36 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 36. If x minus 9 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 9. So 36, because your question, it is given Jayanti's and this, what is the question is given, you will get 45 marble, 40 minus x. Here you are getting the John has x. John has x marble and Jayanti has 45 minus x. So product of these two is given. According to this, when you solve the question, you will get the question. What is the question given in your? It is the example 1. Example 1 you are getting, what is the x? X is 36. If the x is equal to 36, then the 45 minus 36, what will you get? 9. So John has 9 marble, then Jayanti will be, John has 36 marble, then Jayanti will be 9. Or John has 9, because both are the x. One you take for John and one you take for the Jayanti. So John will be 6, John will be 9, then Jayanti will be 36, and Jayanti will be, John will be 36, then Jayanti will be 9. Both vice versa, you will get the answer. Second part of this question is given, which is second part is also given in this two part. What is the second part? In the second part, a cottage industry question. In the cottage, x is the production, then the cost is 55 minus x. In the second part, it is given if the number of production is x, then the cost of 1 will be 55 minus x. By this you have got the equation in that x square minus 55x plus 750 is equal to 0. It was the equation you have got in the previous question, is not given here. So you are seeing this type of the questions you are getting. So now what will you do here? How will you factorize? 25 directly you can get 75. 25 3 is 75. 30 and 25 when you take, you get the 55. So x square minus 30x minus 25x plus 750. So x will be common, x minus 30 minus 25 will be common, x minus 30 is equal to 0. Two factors you are getting, x minus 25 and x minus 30. Both factors you get separate. Then what will be there? If x minus 30 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 30. If x minus 25 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 25. Again the case, if the production is, production of the toys is 30, then the cost is rupees 25 per, because 55 minus 30 is 25. If the production is 25, both are positive, so both will be the answer. Then the cost by per toy. Then the cost of the toy will be 25. There will be 30 per toy. Rupees 30 per toy. So 30 and 25 is the answer of this first question. Very simply you will see what is the given and how will you solve. Question number 3. Now we will see the question number 3 of this exercise. In the question number 3, given, find the two number whose sum is 27, product 182. Sum 27 and product is given 182. It is given the question number 3. Let first number be x, then the second consecutive will be or any number 27 minus x. ATP is showing you product is 182, means first into second. So you will get 27x minus x square minus 180 is equal to 0. Try to write in the standard form and without negative sign. Try to find out the standard form and without negative sign. Always. So what will you do here? We will do minus 6x square will side x square minus 27x plus 180 is equal to 0. Factorize, if you don't know, you factorize 180, 2 9 ja, 2 45 ja, 3 15 ja, 3 5 ja. 2 2 ja, 4 3 ja, 12, 5 3 ja, 15. 13, anyone that you will write. So numbers you will 180, 182 is given, 180 is not there, 182 is given. So 182 you will factorize here 182, so factorization will be changed. 2 9 ja, 2 1 ja, 3 7 1 ja, 7 3 ja. So 14 and 13 you are getting directly. Directly you are getting 14 and 13. So what will you write? X square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182. So x common, x minus 14, minus 13 common, x minus 14. So you are getting 2 bracket x minus 14, x minus 13. So if x minus 14 is 0, then x will be 14. If x minus 13 is 0, then x will be 13. So 14 and 13. First is 13, second is 14, and first is 14, then second will be 13. Question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4 is given here. Question number 4. Question number 4. Find two consecutive positive integers. Sum of whose square is 365. Two consecutive positive integers. Let first be x, then second consecutive. Consecutive means one more, x plus 1. Then second consecutive will be always x plus 1. Product is given 365. Then no, product is a sum of square. Sum of square is how much? 365. So x square plus x plus 1 square is equal to 365. What will you get? X square plus x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 365 is equal to 0. 2x square plus 2x minus 364 is equal to 0. Or you can write x square plus x minus 2 1 ja 2 8 ja 16 2 2 the 4 182. Again the same answer you will get 13. Same equation you are getting what you are getting in the previous. Consecutive numbers, how will you get? Minus is given. Same factorization, 182 factorization is given here. 14 and 13. You write down x square plus 14 x minus 13. Because you want plus, so 14 will be plus, 13 is minus. You are getting the two linear factor x plus 14 in one bracket, x minus 13 is another bracket. Your question is given, let the first be x and second. First what? First positive integer. Positive integer is given. So what are you letting for a statement you will write? So here you are getting two answers. One is x plus 14, one is x minus 13. So if x plus 14 is equal to 0, then what is x? Minus 14. And it will be reject y. It is given integer. Why it is reject? Because positive integer is given. If it is given integer only, then it is correct. So second one you see. X minus 13 is 0, then x will be 13. So first is equal to 13. Second is equal to x plus 1. That is 13 plus 1, 14. There is a two answer you are getting. First is 13, second is 14. Here both are the answers. Anyone you can write for second, but here you are bound because consecutive positive. So 13 and 14 it will be reject. It is very important key point. That's all. Rest question in the next lecture. Thanks.